Let's continue AWS IMT. In this session, let's see what is IAM policy, what is IAM policy, and how to assign IAM policy to IAM user. Okay. So first important point about IAM policy team. IAM policy define permissions for users, groups, and roles. IAM policy defines permissions for users, groups, and roles. So this is my AWS cloud. This is my AWS cloud. Okay. In AWS, we have 200 plus services, 200 plus services, 200 plus services, services. In this, there is a concept called policy. I am policies. IAM policy. It contain it contain different permissions. Permissions. Let's say service, service one, and read, write, write, update, etc. So like this, for every service, we have different policies. Different policies. So if you want to access any service in AWS cloud as a user, as a user, you need to assign policy. As a group, you need to get a policy. As a role, you need to get a policy. Policy should be assigned to your user or group or role. In this example, in this example, we are saying we are going to see how to assign policy to user. How to assign policy to user. Later, we are going to see how to assign policy to group, how to assign policy to role. In this session, we are seeing this one. Okay. Policy means what? Policy means it's a permission. Set of permissions available as part of policies for every service. We can choose we can choose whatever policy you want to assign to your user. We already created a IAM user. Let me open incognito window. Incognito window, we logged in as IAM user. Let me search EC2, EC2. For this user, we do not have EC2 permission. For this user, we do not have EC2 permission. See, you are not authorized to perform this operation. You are seeing this error message. But my requirement is I am going to give a I am going to give a EC2 access to my user. So click on users. First login AWS Cloud, then navigate IAM and then click on users. Okay. Select the user you want to assign policy. Here I have only one user. You may have one user. You may have n number of users. Okay. Select the user. Okay. Once you select, once you, yeah, click on this user. After selection, click on this user. You can scroll the screen. You can see right now for this user, we have only S3 full access. And next one, I am user, change password, permission. Now I want to add EC2 permission. Right side, right side, you can see add permission. You can click on this one. you will going to see add permission. Click on add permission. You can see add permission. Okay. Here you can see attach policy directly. Click on attach policy. Here you can search EC2 full. So I'm selecting EC2 full option. Then click on next button. Click on add permission. Okay. Policy is added. Now you can see EC2 full access, S3 full access, IAM user change password permission. Okay. Now let's go to user logged in page. Okay. Let's go user login page. Let's refresh. See, we are seeing error, right? Once you refresh, the error is gone. It means this user having EC2 access also. Clear writing? How to assign policy to user? Yeah.